One of the most common questions that we get from students is, what is the easiest way to place those mock-ups into real products like iPhones or having it in somebody's hands? Well, there's a website called placeit.net, which makes it pretty simple for you to just drag and drop your app mock-up into a whole bunch of images so that you can show off, the app being in use by a real person. Now, I think they do charge for this service. So an alternative, if you are happy using Sketch, is going on to Sketch app sources, and you'll be able to find quite a few mock-ups where you can simply just drag and drop your mock-ups into the iPhone frame or any of the other frames. All right, so enough watching me doing things. It's time for you to build up your mockup for your recipe app. Now, you've already created the user flow diagram. You already know how the navigation is going to work. You've then gone on to create a wireframe using pencil and paper. Now, the next step is turning that concept into beautiful photorealistic mockups using some of the tools and methods that we discussed in this module. So if you have access to a Mac, then use some of those methods that I showed you just now in order to create your mockup using Sketch. Now, if you don't have access to Sketch, I'm going to show you something else that you can use. So if you have a Mac, then go ahead and download the trial version of Sketch 3 and have a play around with it. Try using some of the methods that I showed you in this module and create your beautiful mockup using Sketch. Now, if you don't have a Mac or access to Sketch, then you can use Canva as we showed you in the previous lesson. Alternatively, I've listed some other websites and tools that you can have a look at in the text box below. But either way, you'll be able to turn those wireframes into beautiful high fidelity mockups. So go ahead.